here never has to be removed. This is a lifetime thing. Remember? Put this tank in there to store it. Fill the next one up and we're out of here. Okay. See, it's not that long. You might be able to leave it on all the way the second time around. See, Jimmy didn't unroll the hose like I showed him. You didn't do it the way I showed you, because look at my hose now. Jimmy Bird song.
Yeah, that's proper.
All you need to change to hard water to, it's still hard water, but the balls, the molecules are balls now, and they just run down the drain. They can't connect. They can't grab on each other. They can't build up. They can't scale build up.
Right.